Ready?
There you go.
Try. What do you think about that? I don't care. I just care about my bib. Come here. Look. Try again. Oh, I'm making a mess. There you go. Try. What do we think about this? You're looking at Rusty. Carolyn, let's try again. Ready? Try again. Try again. Open up. Open up. I don't know if any of it's going down. It must, because... Oh, Rusty's cleaning up the floor. Awesome. There you go. Open up. Oh, oh. Are you done already? She's not opening her mouth.
Oh. No, she does not like that. She does not like that, babe.
Oh, Rusty does. Hi. Here. Oh. Try again. Open the mouth. She won't even let me get any in. Here, you want to help? You want to help? Yes, open your mouth. I'm more interested in Rusty than in food. Here, try again.
Alright. I'm gonna stop it.
Oh, Rusty got